Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to create instant video meeting in Google Meet. When you log into your Gmail, you may have noticed there is a new feature called Meet in the sidebar. There are two options in it, start a meeting and join a meeting. Now let's see how you can create a meeting, then how to invite people and how to join the meeting. So in order to start the meeting, you will first have to click on start a meeting. Now there are two options over here, one is for camera and other is for voice. So you can choose whether to show, whether to turn on or off the camera. Then you can mute or unmute yourself from here. Now click on join now in order to join the meeting, and the meeting will start. Now in order to invite the peoples, you will just have to copy this address and send them invite. Another way to invite people is by simply clicking on the add peoples. So now here you have to enter the email address of the person you want to invite to the meeting and send invite. Now the person will receive email of invitation to the meeting right into their inbox. So they will just go to the email and they can join the meeting right from there. So after clicking on join meeting, the green button, they will join the meeting. Okay, now still there is one step left to join the meeting, which I will tell you. The person joining the meeting needs to allow the camera as well as the audio so that they can interact in the meeting. Now in the meeting screen, you can see there is only one person available here in the meeting. So now when the person whom you have sent invite clicks on ask to join, then you will get a notification like this. So you will have to admit it in order to allow them to take a part in the meeting. So now you can see there are two people in the meeting. One is the account with which I am hosting this meeting and the another which I send the invite to. Okay, so this is the very simple method to host a meeting and send invite and join the meeting. So hope you guys like this video. So guys, if you want the complete tutorial of how to use Google Meet, then please let me know in the comment box. Thank you for watching the video.